All right, guys. I think instead of doing 2 more videos, I'm just going to get it done. I know it's been a long day. It is like a little after 4 o'clock my time right now, and whew, I am about ready to go and take a nap. It's been a long day already. And no, I haven't even left the house yet. I don't attempt to go anywhere on Black Friday. It's crazy out there. So I think I'm going to go ahead and draw for the last two. So it will be for A and what's left? A and D. So let's see who will call out for first. Oh, let's get in here. D. So we'll call for D, and D is, oh, where's D? D is the little drawing pad with the drawing art set. Okay, it's I think a 26 piece, 28 piece drawing set with 10 colored pencils, 12 soft pastels, 2 tortillons, whatever that is. I have no idea. A stenciling pencil, vinyl eraser, hole punch, plastic, one whole plastic sharpener in a wooden box. That was a mouthful. Okay, so that one, and then the big one, which is this, the work. We are memory keepers. The work. This is an awesome tool. Obviously, I don't need to draw it again because it should be the last one in here. So this one's got everything in it. It's got tab punch, scoreboard, cutter. It has a tassel maker. I think it has a, goodness gracious, what else is in this thing? It's like, there's like a big list of stuff back there. All the envelope maker, tag maker, pom-pom, all that stuff. Stamp press on there so that you can here put your stamps on there. So it's all in one tool. Isn't that great? I wish they had that out when I first started crafting and doing mixed media. That would have been helpful. So let's go ahead and, oh, sorry, I think my overhead light is glaring a little bit here. So let's go ahead and move over to the random picker. Okay, so once again, we need to copy the link, and we're going to paste it in here. Paste. Right? Is that OMCK for UPSSC? Okay, yeah. So make sure it's not clicking on the wrong thing. That would stink, right? Okay. Unique comments 19. So let's see who will win D. Magical rainbows. Okay, so magical rainbows. You've won the drawing set. So let me write that down. Magical rainbows. And remember, once again, 10 p.m. Central Standard Time to reach out to me on the 29th of November, which is Monday, to receive your prize. And let's go ahead and draw for A. So let's pick another winner. Who is it gonna be? Donna. Again, Donna. Now we can't do it twice, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and pick another. We can't do it again. Because I think what it does is it recycles it when I reloaded the page, because I reload the page so it refreshes everything. So Donna's already won a prize, so we're gonna give an opportunity for someone who has not. So let me pick another winner here. Donna, you keep coming up. Why do you keep coming up, sweetheart? So let's do this. Let's refresh again, because that's kind of strange that it did that. And let's paste that on there again. Filter out our duplicate winners. And let's try this again. Enchanted Dream 71, and that would be my friend Lori. I know Lori. So Lori, you're the winner of the big We Are Memory Keepers big The Works pad here. So let me put down, it's Enchanted Dream 71. Oh, she'll be excited, I think. So, and she also knows that 10 p.m. Central Standard Time on Monday, the 29th of November. Okay, so let me flip back over here. Close out of this one. And we're back over here. So make sure you get a hold of me, ladies. I will leave my email address in the description, or you can reach out to me via, you can message me via my Etsy as well to give me your U.S. address so that I can get these things shipped out. Hopefully everybody will respond by Monday and we can get everything all shipped out. If not, after Monday, probably Tuesday, we'll redraw for a new one, because I want to give everybody the opportunity to at least try and reach out by 10 o'clock Central Standard Time on Monday, because, you know, some people probably may still be out of town just for the weekend or whatever. So, okay, guys, that's it. I was so excited to be able to do this giveaway. I'm even more excited about doing the next one, which are the AccuQuilt, the Gomies. If you have not seen that video, I will post it up here so that you guys, if you haven't already listed in order what prizes you would like, please go ahead and do so. So that way we can, because I think we're drawing for that one on, I wrote it down somewhere, December 7th, I believe. Yeah, December 7th on that one. So, yay! I think that's on a Tuesday, though. I don't think that's on a Monday. Yeah, that's on a Tuesday. So, anyways, guys, I had so much fun. Thanks for joining me on Black Friday. I hope you guys were able to either go out and get some really great deals that you wanted, or even online. And of course, you know that Cyber Monday comes. Everybody's going to be on their computers doing whatever, trying to get their last minute stuff. I'm pretty sure that shipping this out now, you guys should get it way before Christmas. So at least I'm hoping that that is the case. So anyways, plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings, guys. And thank you so much for all your support. You guys mean the world to me. I would not be able to do this if you guys didn't help support me just with your love and your kindness and watching and your comments. So until next time, guys, I'll see you then. Bye.